Good morning, students. In today's video, I will teach you a very interesting chapter, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. We will complete the chapter in 2 days, and in all these days, read the text again and again. Revise the chapter thoroughly for better understanding. By the end of this video, you will be able to narrate summary of the chapter, tell meanings of difficult words and phrases as used in the chapter. You will also be able to answer the related questions and back exercises. Now, before reading, I am going to tell you the summary of the chapter. Sardar Patel was known as one of the founding fathers of Republic India. He played an exemplary role in getting India independent from the British rule. He was the man who guided the country to become a united and independent nation. Born in a Gujarati family, he possessed remarkable mental and physical strength. He became a barrister. He got inspired by the work and teachings of Mahatma Gandhiji and played a great role in India's struggle for independence. For his ability to lead from front, he was given the name Sardar, so he was called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He also supported women empowerment and worked for abolishing untouchability and caste discrimination. He was also nominated as the candidate for the elections of the Congress president, but he turned down the position on the advice of Gandhiji. Therefore, eventually, Pandit Nehru became the president, and in 1947, Patel became India's first Home Minister and Minister of Information and Broadcasting. He also influenced 565 princely states to merge into India, and they became part of India. In 1950, Patel's health declined and worsened gradually. Sardar Patel breathed his last on December 15, 1950, after a massive attack. He was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1991. His birthday on 31st October is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day. Now, open your English literature book, Roots and Wings, at page 54. We will first discuss the get set of the chapter. Chapter 4, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Now get set, match the following nicknames to their pictures. Nightingale of India. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India. Shaheed-e-Azam. Who is known as Shaheed-e-Azam? Bhagat Singh is known as Shaheed-e-Azam. So we'll put number 2 on Bhagat Singh. Lokmanya. Who is known as Lokmanya? Bal Gangadhar Tilak is known as Lokmanya. Grand Old Man of India. Who is known as Grand Old Man of India? Dadabhai Naoroji is known as Grand Old Man of India. Now, who is known as Machiavelli of India? Chanakya is known as Machiavelli of India. Who is known as Man of Peace? Lal Bahadur Shastri is known as Man of Peace. Now, take out page 55 and let's start with the reading. Mark the word meanings and phrases side by side. Read and enjoy. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a political and social leader of India who played a major role in the country's struggle for independence and subsequently guided its integration into a united independent nation. Now, the word political means related to politics. Leader means one who leads others. Underline the phrase in the country's struggle for independence. It means देश की स्वतंत्रता संघर्ष में. Struggle means to experience difficulty. Subsequently means happening after something. And integration means merging or combination. He was instrumental in persuading more than 500 princely states to merge with India after the British left the country. The word persuading means convincing. For his unwavering commitment to national integration and strong resolve to work for the unity of the country, he is called the Iron Man of India. Now, the word unwavering means steady, commitment means promise. Underline the phrase to work for the unity of the country and write एक संयुक्त स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र के संगठन करने को. Let's learn more about this remarkable man in the following lesson. The word remarkable means special or unusual. Now, in this paragraph, the author says that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a political and social leader of India who played an important role in country's struggle for independence and integration. He is also called the Iron Man of India because of his tireless efforts and commitment to work for the unity of the country. Popularly known as the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the founding fathers of the Republic of India. He played an exemplary role in getting India independent from the British rule. The word exemplary is already given in the book. Let us read from there. Exemplary means perfect or ideal. However, his role in the struggle of India's independence did not end just with that. He was the man who guided the country to become a united independent nation. Born to a Gujarati family in Karamsad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the fourth of the 6 children of his father, Jhaveri Bhai. He had 3 elder brothers and a younger brother and sister. In these paragraphs, the author says that Sardar Patel was known as one of the founding fathers of Republic India. He played an exemplary role in getting India independent from the British rule. He was born in a Gujarati family. He had 3 elder brothers and a younger brother and sister. Now, name the chapter. The name of the chapter is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. What is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel popularly known as? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. What did Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel guide the country? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel guided the country to become a united and independent nation. How many brothers and sisters did Patel have? Sardar Patel had 4 brothers and a sister. Now let us read further. From a very young age, Vallabhbhai displayed remarkable mental toughness and physical strength. The word displayed means showed, remarkable means outstanding. Once he had a boil in his armpit. The word boil means swelling on skin due to burn. And during those days in his village, the people usually went to a man who used to heat an iron rod and put it on the boil to treat it. When young Patel went to him, he was reluctant to treat him. But Patel did not wait for the man and himself placed the hot iron rod on his boil. The word reluctant is already given in the book. It means unwilling and hesitant or disinclined. Patel grew up to become a barrister. The word barrister means lawyer. Working hard, he greatly expanded his practice and his wealth. The word expanded here means increased. Meanwhile, he got inspired by the works and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi and became keenly interested in India's struggle for independence. The word inspired means to fill someone with confidence. As one of the leaders of the Indian National Congress, he rose to prominence in his home state Gujarat for his outstanding work of saving the peasants of Gujarat from the oppressive policies of the British Raj through Bardoli Satyagrah. Now, the word prominence means the state of being important, famous or noticeable. The word outstanding means excellent. The word peasants means farmers. And oppressive means cruel and unfair. Policies means plans or rules. It wasn't long before Patel became indispensable for the nationalist movement. The word indispensable is already given in the book. It means essential or crucial. It was for his ability to lead from the front. Underline the phrase to lead from the front and write सामने से आगे बढ़ने के लिए that he was given the nickname Sardar. The word nickname means a usually descriptive name given instead of or in addition to the one belonging to a person, place or thing, meaning the chief. Patel is also credited with establishing the modern All India Civil Services and for the same is regarded as the patron saint of India's civil servants. The word credited means publicity acknowledged for doing something. Establishing means starting. Sardar Patel supported the empowerment of women and worked for abolishing alcoholism, untouchability and caste discrimination from society. Now here the word empowerment means to give power. The word abolishing is already given in the book. It means eradicating or eliminating. The word untouchability means the practice of excluding a group by keeping them separate from others by social custom. And the word discrimination means the act of treating someone differently or unjustly. Now, in these paragraphs, the author says that Sardar Patel possessed remarkable mental and physical strength. He became a barrister. He got inspired by the work and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi ji. He played a great role in India's struggle for independence. For his ability to lead from the front, he was given the name Sardar, so he was called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He also supported women empowerment and worked for abolishing untouchability and caste discrimination. Now, describe an incident which shows that Sardar Patel possessed remarkable mental toughness and physical strength from early age. Once, Vallabhbhai had a boil in his armpit, and he himself placed a hot iron rod on his boil to treat it. What are the other two nicknames by which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known? The other two nicknames by which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as are Sardar and patron saint of India's civil servants. Why was Vallabhbhai Patel called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Vallabhbhai Patel was given the nickname Sardar for his ability to lead. Why is Sardar Patel called and remembered as a patron saint for India's civil servants? Patel is credited with establishing the modern All India Civil Services, and for the same is regarded as the patron saint of India's civil servants. Name some of the causes that Sardar Patel fought for or supported for the betterment of society. Sardar Patel supported the empowerment of women and worked for abolishing alcoholism, untouchability, and caste discrimination from the society. I hope you have understood the summary and the first page of the chapter. Now revise the related question answers and back exercises of the chapter and plan page 56 and 57 of chapter 4, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Thank you.